Hi there! Looking for a simple summer-style recipe? Try these baked chicken leg quarters with a rich vegetable base. This recipe takes just about 1 hour from start to finish, and it's super simple to make. Let's do it! All the ingredients are very easy to get. We need just a few basic spices, some herbs, and any vegetables that you like to cook with. Let's start by seasoning our chicken legs. We need 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 1 teaspoon of red paprika, and some lemon juice. Mix it all up properly to make sure that the salt dissolves. Adding some herbs is always a good idea. I've used fresh basil and rosemary, but you could use thyme, oregano or cilantro. Just quickly chop them up and add both to the marinade. In with the chicken legs. Using your hands to coat them up with the marinade works the best. Just don't forget to wash your hands afterwards. Safety first, right? Let the meat absorb the flavors for a while and use the time to prepare the vegetables. You can use the same veggies as I did or choose your own. I went with red and yellow bell peppers that I have cut into small pieces. I have also used 2 smallish red onions sliced into thin pieces and 5 garlic cloves to enhance the flavors even more. The next step is browning the chicken legs on high heat from both sides. I've used olive oil, but feel free to use your favorite type. You will need to use a big pan for this, or do it in 2 batches. Each side takes about 3 minutes. Keep in mind we are not trying to cook the meat at this stage. Once browned, remove the chicken legs from the pan and drop in a tablespoon of butter. Let it melt, add a tablespoon of honey, and add all the vegetables you have prepared. Saute on high for about 3 minutes and mix frequently. Now it's time to add about half a cup of cherry tomatoes. Don't forget to season the vegetables just a little bit. A touch of salt and black pepper is all we need. Mix properly and we are ready for the next step. Transfer the vegetables into a deep baking dish, including all the juices from the pan, and spread them out evenly. Place the chicken leg quarters atop of the vegetable base and make sure there is some space left in between them. Now fill these spaces with black and green olives. I have used about half a cup of them. Push the olives down a bit, so they don't sit on top of the chicken legs. There should be some spare marinade left. Don't let it go to waste and pour it over the chicken. And we are ready to bake. Preheat your oven to 400 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius and bake for about 50 minutes, depending on the size of the chicken legs you are using. You can turn the broiling mode on for the final 5 to 7 minutes to crisp the skin up a little bit. And we are done. These baked chicken legs go really well with steamed rice or mashed potatoes. The choice is yours. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss my next recipe. See you!